Welcome back to the channel. Today I am so excited to showcase an incredible new listing in Whittier, California. If you're looking for a beautiful upgrade home with a spacious layout and modern features, this one bedroom, one bath townhome might be exactly what you have been waiting for. Let's take a look. You will immediately notice the open floor plan that seamlessly connects with living, dining, and kitchen area. This kitchen has been fully upgraded with luxurious finishes, high-end appliances, and plenty of counter space whether you have cooking for yourself or entertaining your friends or family. Upstairs, you'll find the spacious master suite. It's a true retreat featuring a large bedroom, plenty of closet space, a beautiful remodeled bathroom with a double shower, and so much more that makes life even more convenient, including the laundry in right here on the same level. By the way, there's a beautiful city light view from your master suite and so much natural light from your master bedroom, as well as a private patio for family entertainment. There is a community associations with a great amenity including parks, barbecuing, swimming pools, and spas within the community. If you're interested in this beautiful property or have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another home tour. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.